Okay, triads. Triad, 3 notes. Here's one shape. There's 3 of these. Now here's one, and this is where the root note is, right here on the E string. So this is your root note. We have these 2 barred together, and then this string. So the E string, the B string, and the G. Bar these down, 2 of them together, and this one, next fret on the G string. This is a triad. Now this, since it's your root note, chromatically, just happen to have a chart here. So we have our E string, F note, F sharp note, and a G note. So this is on the 3rd fret, okay? 3rd fret, G note is our root note if we have it on the 3rd fret. So if we're making this triad on the 3rd fret, we're starting it, here's your root. Okay, so here's your triad. This is a G, G major. Now if you go down, one less, chromatically, that's F sharp or a G flat. 1st fret, it's going to be your F, F sharp, G, G sharp, here's your A, okay? This is a triad with your root on the E string. This is one form, one position, okay? Now, your other root is a D shape, and this D chord, you just play a D chord. Here's your root, B string. So the B string is your root note, okay? So let's see, a B, open string, here's a C, here's a C sharp, and here's a D. So this is a D triad. Play a D chord. But you're only strumming, of course, 3. So here's 3. Here's a D. D sharp. Here's your root. D sharp. Here's an E. So this is an E triad. And just to make sure that this is an E, and you can take these notes play a regular E chord. Yep. Here's an E chord, here's a triad. Okay, so this is your root, so you can chromatically tell which chord you're going to just by this one. Now this is the second one, second triad. The 3rd triad is you're going to make this shape. One here, you skip a fret, and you play these 2. And this right here, the G string in this shape, here, here, and here. Okay, so you have the E string, the B string, and the G string. That's your triad. And your root is your ring finger there. Okay? So that's on the G. So, being on the 5th fret, let's see, 5th fret right here, so we have a G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So this is a C triad. Okay, C. So this would be C sharp. This would be a D. Okay, as you just climb up, you're just taking your root note and calling that chord. So, triads.